Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a social share image in Squarespace. So simply in order to do this, just as you can see, this is main dashboard of our website. So now on the left side you can see there are multiple tabs available here. So simply in order to add a social share image you have to click on design, and next here the menu, just select the social sharing, and after that here you can simply add a social logo here. So simply after that click on plus button. So now here you can upload your file, or simply you can select from library. So here you can also read maximum size 20 MB. So you have to upload maximum size of 20 MB image. So now simply click on plus button, now click on upload file. So now here select the image, and after that click on open. So now wait for a few seconds, our social sharing image is being uploaded. So here you can see our image is uploaded. So after that click on save button. So in this way you can easily add a social sharing image in Squarespace.